first method is going to be using glue dots. So go ahead and add a glue dot to kind of the middle of each balloon, sort of towards the base, you can see. And that varies sometimes depending on how you're going to place them as well. And then go ahead and press them into the balloons. Once they're in there, don't move them or they will pop. The second method is using a piece of string or fishing line, and you'll take your ribbon, tie it into your cluster of 3, leaving about 18 inches or so out. Go ahead and wrap that around either the garland ribbon or around one of the 11-inch balloons. Then you're gonna pull it back through and figure 8 it around the cluster. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that a little bit closer here. So I'm going in, I'm wrapping it around that 11-inch, the base of that 11-inch balloon. I'm pulling it back through the middle of the cluster, like so. And then I'm just gonna do a figure 8 around each of the balloons and tuck it behind. Our third and final method is going to be using a 260 twister balloon, which is our favorite way of doing it. So you'll start by cutting that 260 balloon into thirds, and then take one of those pieces and tie it to a cluster of 3. Then you're going to take that tail and go ahead and tie it right into the garland. So you can either tie it to another balloon tail, or you can tie it right around the garland string or the garland strip. And as you can see, this gives you a lot of flexibility with moving the balloons around after the fact. So you have a little more creative freedom to sort of change where things are positioned when you're doing it this way.